simplify 3p times 4qr times 2s. So simplify, that means to get it down to having the least amount of operations occurring in this. So right now we have, and the least amount of terms as well. Right now we have 3 sets of terms. We don't want that many, hence the simplifying. First thing to do is we're going to go and do the numbers first. Let's multiply the numbers first. So I'm going to go 3 times 4 times 2 is going to be my first step in this. Okay, then I look at what my next thing is. I'm going to put a times sign. Then we've got P, Q, R, and S. So I'm going to write times P, times Q, times R, and times S. Now this QR, remember that it just means Q times R. And when I write this out, it's easier to write it in expanded form. And the reason why it will really show clearly later. So for now, if I quickly do this 3 times 4 times 2 for a start. Okay, 3 times 4 will give me 12, and then I go 12 times 2 is 24. So now we've ticked off that little guy there, he's done. What we've got left is our P times Q times R times S. Now if you go back to up here where I said QR equals Q times R, we just do that. And we're just going to get rid of the times and put them right next to each other. So you've got P, Q, R, S. And that one is as far as it goes. That is simplified down. We've gotten us down to the minimum number of terms that we can. So that's good. So if we look at our second example, we've got simplify 4ab times 3bc. Okay, so our first step here is going to be the same. I'm going to look at my multiplying my numbers first. I'm going to go 4 times 3. Put another times. Then I'm going to look and go, here's my unknowns. So I'm going to go times A, times B again because there's 2 B's, and times C. So let's do our 4 times 3, which gives us 12. Alright, we're going to have an A. But now we've got a bit of a problem of we've got 2 B's, so B times B. What you need to remember is that when you have anything multiplied by itself, that is B squared. Alright, and the reason B squared is 1, 2, so it's come up twice, so this number up here indicates how many times. So we could have B times B times B, and it would be B cubed, so B to the power of 3, because I've got B 3 times. We could still keep going, we could go B times B times B times B, and that would be B to the 4 because I've got 4 there. Okay, you're not going to see that one too much, so do not stress about that last one. So here, because I've got my 2 B's, that means my answer is going to be B squared. And then last of all, better not forget our C. So here it's easier. We can rearrange this to any order. So this could be 12B squared AC, or it could be anything, 12CAB squared. We can put them in any order. We just prefer alphabetical order. And it just makes it kind of easier to read as well, because trying to go Y, X doesn't seem right when you go X, Y, Z. Okay, and that is it for this.